A very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, for subject Value Education for Standard 2, we are going to write our second semester model revision paper. So, this is like our question paper, but it is a model one, not the real question paper. Okay? So, shall we begin? So, students, this is the model paper for subject Value Education. I put the same instruction क्योंकि आपको exam paper में भी वही follow करना है. So when you write this model also, what you have to do? Take the printout and write in clean, neat, legible handwriting and also write your name, date. Print आप model में भी यही practice करो जो exam के दिन करने वाले हो. Okay? So it is 60 marks paper. Okay children? First question. State whether the following statements are true or false. So you will read and write whether it is true or false. Number 1, if you are punctual, you will be free from unnecessary haste and worry. If you are punctual on time, then you will not have to take worry and hurry. Okay, so is it true or false? Next, greed can never be filled. If you are greedy, that greed can never be filled. It can never be satisfied. So children, remember, greed can never be filled and it can never be satisfied. Comma will come. Okay. Next, prayer should never be heartfelt. Do you think when we pray, we should not feel it from the heart? Prayer should never be heartfelt. So think and write whether this is a true statement or it is a false statement. We should not be polite to all fellow beings. Is it a true statement or a false one? Next, answer the following questions. First question, why was the crow not able to drink water from the pot? Why? The crow was not able to drink. You will learn the answers. सारे question answers आपको पढ़ने हैं क्योंकि वो exam में आएगा. So you learn it and write it. Okay. Next, what happens when you talk to God? When you talk, what you are doing? You have to write it here. Okay. And teacher has already given you the notes, so you have the answers with you. Next, what should you do to manage your time well? What should you do? So you will write here that I will, first point, then second point, time कैसे manage करना है आपको यहाँ लिख के बताना है. Okay. Next, complete the following statement with options given in the box below. So ये सारे options है. You will complete this statement by selecting from here. A punctual person. So let me do one for you. Okay. A punctual person यानी जो time पे सब करता है वो क्या करेगा? Which option? A punctual person तो time पे सब करता है. So he understands. What you will write? Understands. Understands the importance of time. So like this you have to complete by selecting from the option. Okay children, I have given 2 lines, so you write it very neatly. Next, freedom from greed is. So if you are not a greedy person, then what you will do? Yes, be happy with what God has given. अगर आप greedy नहीं हो तो आप तो happy रहोगे जो कुछ भगवान ने आपको दिया है. So you will write this. Freedom from greed is to be happy with what God has blessed you with. Okay, so you will read and find the answer and write it here. Purity of heart. अगर आप साफ मन के हो तो आप कैसे रहोगे? Yes, then it is one of the greatest quality. वो आपकी सबसे अच्छी quality रहेगी. Purity of heart is one of the greatest quality of human being. So like that you will see the quality and complete it. Okay children. Next, courtesy. Okay, that means being polite. Next, question 4. Put tick in the brackets if you agree with the statement. अगर आप उसको सही मानते हो तो tick, and if you disagree you put cross. I will always be polite. Always be polite and humble. If you say ये right है तो you have to put a right tick mark. The only thing that overcomes hard luck. आपका जो बैड टाइम आता है ना, हार्ड लक मीन्स आपकी लक खराब हो जाती है. सो आपको क्या करना है? हार्ड वर्क. सो इफ यू से यस देन टेक इट. ओके. प्लीज एंड थैंक यू आर द वर्ड्स नॉट टू बी हर्ड. हमें कभी बोलना नहीं है, सुनना नहीं है क्या? प्लीज एंड थैंक यू. इफ यू से यस वी शुड नॉट हियर इट. हमें ऐसे यूज ही नहीं करना है. Then you put wrong. If you say yes, we have to say please and thank you. तो आप right डालोगे. Okay? Think and answer. By being punctual, you will achieve failure in life. अगर आप सब टाइम से करते हो, punctual हो, तो आपको failure मिलेगा लाइफ में. You say right or you say wrong. Think and answer. There is no end to one's greed. So if you are greedy, आपको चाहिए और चाहिए और चाहिए, you are greedy, इसका कोई end होगा भी नहीं कभी. So you agree with it, you will put a tick. If you disagree, you put a cross mark. So do this revision nicely, learn the question answers and the commitment. Plan of action जो टेक्स्ट बुक में है ना, उसे रीड करके समझ के रखना है. So all the best. God bless you all.